Good day! Our next videos is about math functions. And we will start with SUMIF, and SUMIFs. Ano nga bang sum function? Simple lang. I-add lang natin yung quantity based dun sa range na in-specify natin. Paano yon? Ang formula will be equals sum, and you can either select the first range and then control shift down, or you can actually just select the whole column kung wala namang iba pang table sa baba. Close the formula and then enter. As we can see, we sold a total of 37,873. Ganun lang siya ka-straightforward. Now, paano naman kung merong conditions? In this example, ang gusto natin kunin is yung quantity na na-sold per category. And for that, we will use SUMIF. Paano yung formula? Equals SUMIF range. Saan natin hahanapin yung criteria? Which is nasa category or nasa column B. So, select lang natin yung column B. And ano yung criteria natin? Yung furniture. Sum range. Ano yung gusto nating isum? Yung quantity which is nasa column D. Close and enter. As we can see, we sold 8,028 pieces for the furniture. Drag the formula down, and for office supplies, we have 22,906. For technology, we have 6,939. If we compare, yung total niya, 37,873, tama siya sa quantity ng overall sum natin. And meron pang isang way para gamitin yung SUMIF. In this example, we want to get the sum of all the transactions na more than 5 yung quantity. Paano yung formula? Equals SUMIF. Yung range natin is the quantity itself na, since ayun din yung criteria natin. And ang criteria is equals or greater than or equals in 5. And since yung range natin is yung quantity na, hindi na natin kailangan yung sum range. Close, enter. As we can see, for those transactions that are over 5 items, we sold 20,179. Paano naman kung merong multiple conditions? Doon naman papasok si SUMIFs. Kasi nga may S yung F. So madaming F. Paano yung formula? Equals SUMIFs. And as you notice, ang una niyang hinahanap is yung sum range natin. Ano yung gusto natin kunin? Which is yung quantity. Criteria 1 is yung category, which is nasa column B. Ano yung criteria? Yung G2, yung selected natin na item for the category. Criteria 2, yung subcategory column, which is nasa C. And ang criteria niya is nasa G3, yung selected natin na subcategory. Close and enter. And there we go. So we sold 2,356 under the category of furnitures and subcategory of chairs. So if we change yung subcategory, automatic na yan, magko-compute na yan. Same with the category. And There you go. I hope nakatulong. If may question, comment lang sa video.